Okay, we got a chance to get her some more. We'll go ahead and get some more here. Look at that. She's good. She's so graceful at it too. She doesn't hardly move. Look at that. She doesn't really hardly move, and look at that. She just has total control of her body and that hula hoop. Look at that. Is that amazing? I think that is so cool. She makes it look so easy, and it is not easy. And I hope you guys appreciate this, because you don't see this every day, and especially in a Walmart parking lot. They're travelers like me, so it's really kind of cool. She's also a Gemini like me, which is also kind of cool. Look at that. That is so amazing. And I hope you guys enjoy watching her as much as I enjoy watching her and filming her. That's true talent. Look at that. I mean, really, come on. Look at that. Alright, we're just going to watch her for a little while. Whoops. We're just going to watch her here for a little bit. I'm not going to talk. That looks so cool. Please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 so that maybe I can supplement my income a little bit to where I can do a little more traveling than I'm doing. I only get 7 miles a gallon, so I can only go so far each month. And I want to thank those of you who have subscribed. We've reached 227, I think it is. And I so appreciate it. So please have a great day. I'm going to go ahead and well, I was going to go ahead and go, but God, she's so good. Wow. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, wow. That's cool. That is cool. She does that for her own pleasure, you know? My arm is getting really tired. I have to hold it so steady with the telephoto on. Look at that. Wow. shit. Excuse my language. She is just really, really good. Again, thank you for watching. We're going to go ahead and go. I keep saying we're going to go, but God, she's so good. All right, we're going to go. Thank you for watching and have a great evening. And please like and subscribe. Like I said, this is my dream. I'm living it. We're in the 1994 Winnebago Warrior motorhome. Her name is Dina, the Warrior Princess. My daughter picked that name. And we're working really hard to keep the videos coming, trying to keep the quality, good enough to please pretty much everybody, I hope. I do a straight video. I only know how to add some music, and I don't really know how to cut anything out, so you're getting it just like I film it. Please enjoy, please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to do, more of, and if you want me to film certain things, just let me know. I appreciate it. Thank you.